everyone! Welcome to Minnie Storytime. It's a new day at Minnie's Cozy Cafe. I'm a little nervous, but very excited. Today, I'm waiting for my first customer. I clean the table. I check the menu. I prepare fresh coffee. Okay, I am ready. A girl walks into the cafe. She looks friendly but a little shy.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Minnie's Cozy Cafe. How can I help you?
This is my first time here. What do you recommend?
I recommend Hot Latte. It is sweet and very smooth. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. That sounds nice.
Minnie makes the latte. The cafe smells warm and cozy.
So, what is your name?
My name is Abigail.
Nice to meet you, Abigail. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I am new in this town.
Welcome. I hope you like it here.
Minnie gives Abigail the hot latte.
Here you go, Hot Latte.
Wow! This is so good!
Really, I'm so happy you like it.
Yes, I will come back again. You have a very nice cafe.
Thank you so much.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is Minnie House.
Thank you. I want to sit here and work for a little while.
Sure, please enjoy your time.
Abigail sits by the window. Minnie feels proud and happy.
This is a good day. My first customer, and maybe a new friend.
Minnie's cafe is open, warm, and ready for more people.
What will happen next? Who will be the next customer? Thank you for watching. See you next time.